Hi, I'm Andy Cranston. This is a demo of Selenium. We're going to automate the process of logging into this access point and changing its SNMP community strings. Let's log into the access point. It's called AP01. And let's have a quick look at the current SNMP settings. So the read community and set community is set to public and private at the moment. They're the common defaults. I've got a Python program here called access point, and we're going to run it. Tell it to access the host AP01, and I want to change the read community string to not so public 1 and the write or set community string to very private 2. Now, I'm not pressing any keys on the keyboard or moving the mouse now. What you're watching is complete automation. So the program is automatically starting up Firefox. It's accessing the access point, logging in. It will now look at the system tools and SNMP settings. And you'll see right before your eyes, it get them changed. There we go, it's saving them, and it will now log out and close the browser. There we go. And we've got some interesting information on the screen there. That information is also collected in a file called log.txt. And just to prove that it's successfully made those changes, we'll log back in to the access point. Take another look at the SNMP settings, and there we see that the new settings are in place. That was done by a Python program. This one coming in at just under 300 lines of code. You can download the code from this GitHub page, and that's the URL. That's all, folks. Thanks for watching.